Welcome back to Making Slime. I'm here with Faith Musgrove. Go check out her channel, 6-year-old girl, and she's got her own channel on YouTube. So, check out this slime. It's going to be like yesterday's slime, making it with clear. This was yesterday's slime with making the glue that you don't normally use. It's really shiny.
Yeah.
And I didn't even use.
I didn't
even use any metallic stuff. She wasn't there. She was asleep.
Yeah, I was
so
asleep.
You will need
Everybody. Everybody was asleep.
You don't have to. You can just leave it white. But I'm going to use assorted food coloring. There's 4 colors. There's blue, green, yellow, and red. Today we're using blue.
Blue, my favorite color.
And then shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
This is just Gilead Foamy shaving cream since we're making fluffy slime. And then just equate multi-purpose solution.
And guys, you can give a like if you want to or subscribe.
Yeah. So let's get
started.
it. So I have about half in here. Not exactly half, a little more than half in here. Because yesterday I used about half. So I'm going to pour about half in here. Oh. Alright. That was about how big mine was.
No, Julian, it's ready. Go. Stop. Go, just go. Yeah, that's good. And that's good. That's good.
Alright.
Sean is smaller than mine. No, just playing. She's not.
I'm just tilting it so that it could, so it can all go together.
And if you watch this video, you were in here. Last time we didn't make a video, but we had a stand. I hope that you went there, right, Sean?
We had a what?
Stand.
What is that?
The stand for all the food and stuff.
Oh, Faith, really? So after that, I'm just going to add in about a few drops, and later on we'll put in more because the shaving cream will make it a lighter color, and we want dark colors.
Yeah, dark color.
Oh, and you'll also need a spoon. So
that
I
looks
forgot
black.
about that.
Why does that look black, Sean?
Black.
Yeah, it's not even spreading out.
Because I didn't mix it.
Oh yeah, you're supposed to mix.
So I'll just be using this to mix. And
It's not even a lot.
it's going to be. You just have to wait.
Wait. Long.
You don't.
Long. Sorry, she needs more glue in there.
So I will. Oh, I'm sorry. I will come back when it's all done. All right, we're all finished mixing in the mixture. So now I'm just going to be using some foamy shaving cream. Gilead, it doesn't matter.
Sean,
What?
look, that's dripping. No, it's not okay, Sean. Don't say it's okay. What? That's a lot.
Alright, yeah, I used a lot of shaving cream. I only have a little bit shaving cream left because of yesterday.
She made a lot of slime yesterday.
Yeah, I did. I'm obsessed with slime, but not as much as Jillian Bauer. Go follow her on YouTube at Jillian Bauer. Okay, so then you put more food coloring on.
No, please.
And then you mix.
Yeah, mix. Can I mix?
No, I'll mix.
I never mix.
I have to, yes, you do.
Did you hear me, guys? I said fluffy.
So just mix it all up.
And it'll turn blue. My favorite color.
Well, that's only if they put blue.
I mean, our blue. Give a thumbs up when we're done and subscribe.
Alright, so I'm just going to put one more in because she likes it dark blue. So.
You're kind of dark blue. Guys, you can't really see my eyes or hear my
You
voice.
can't see the mixer because you... I don't know how to talk. Alright, whenever you're done mixing that up, just put that spoon or your material off to the side. And now it's time to add the equate a little bit at a time.
Equate. Can you squirt some in your eye?
Yes, it's contact solution.
That will hurt if I squirt some in my eye.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will.
So I see it starting to form.
Form into dark.
No, going to slime, not dark.
Oh. Silly me. What are you doing with my slime? Hear my voice. You can't even hear my voice.
All of it is attaching to the spoon.
Peekaboo. Put some more
On
on the
I
spoon.
always give two options. You can go in with your hands and just start kneading it in, or you can just keep putting more solution in and mixing.
But she's gonna keep putting solution in and mixing it. Ooh, you got some in my eye.
Some solution or goo? Or
Solution. And even hurt.
Exactly. Because contact solution is for your eyes.
Right. But will it hurt if you try to put your hand in your eye and you try excuse me. Have not that one but the bottle, 2 bottles of them, and put them in your eye and your hand is in your eye? Will it hurt? I can't keep my
If you're
eye open that
poking
long.
yourself. Okay, I'm just going to put in a little bit more contact solution.
I'm never going to put on contacts.
And then... oh, my arms.
Ba ba ba. Ah! It's sticking more. My slime.
Alright, now someone's here. Alright, it's not really sticking to the bowl at all, so I'm gonna go in with my hands and just knead it in. This gets sticky every now and then. It will stick to your hand just like it's sticking to mine.
No, yours is not stick to your hand. See, Sean?
So keep kneading, keep kneading and kneading and kneading. And Faith, since your hands
Okay.
so we will be back whenever it's done. Are you serious?
Yeah, I can't even reach it.
And there you go. Your clear slime. It is so it's really light, and it looks like I put glitter in it, and it's just so shiny. So bye, subscribe, and like.